And so after a fantastic time at the 4x4 Eco Trail on the Orange River, we leave very early in the morning as we have over 500 kilometers traveling time. We will be traveling through some small towns on the way, places like Concordia and Okip, then through to Springbok, to Clanwilliam, then Lamberts Bay, and eventually arriving at Rocherpan. Rocherpan is a small Cape Nature Reserve of approximately 930 hectares, and this lies on the west coast between Lamberts Bay and Velddrif. So come along and enjoy the travels with us. This will be part 6 and the last part of this series.
Right, we're approaching the little village called Concordia, which is how far from Springbok? 21?
20 k's.
20 k's from Springbok. We're now driving through Okip. In fact, we're almost out of it. It's freezing cold this morning. Now driving through, I think, the centre of Springbok. We're about to go and fill up and put pressure in our tyres.
So this is Oyster Catcher at Rocherpan. This is probably our favourite little cabin. It does seem to give a bit more privacy, and it has a view down to the pan. Unfortunately, the pan is dry. Every time we've been here it's been dry, but it's still lovely. So from the very nice undercovered braai area, and shaded out nicely, this is the interior. Nice little sitting area, couch, pull out bunkie if you've got children. Nice fireplace, definitely be using that at night. It gets quite chilly at the moment, this time of the year. Very nice kitchen area, all conveniences. Luxurious bed. And then the bathroom. Shower, basin, and then the Enviro loo, which takes a bit of getting used to. But it works, no smell. And the view back out. So drive from the main camp where the chalets are. You actually go out of the camp along the road for about 500 meters. You come in through another gate back into Rocherpan, and then you drive on the other side of the pan all the way to the bird hides and 2 lookout points. This is the furthest lookout point that we're at the moment. They have paved up to the top of it now. It used to be just sand, but quite a few people used to get stuck in if obviously they came without 4x4 vehicles. When you park, you come up to this rather nice little picnic spot and a viewpoint. Again, they've got the Enviro toilets. And looking back that way, maybe a bit of sun glare there, but that's looking towards Eland's Bay and all the way back along the beach. A little bit cool up here, eh? There's some protection there. And then just this beach that goes on forever. So go down the south side of the beach, all the way down. In the distance there's a little holiday village there called Dwarskatsbos, and then further on is Velddrif. So from the picnic spot to the viewpoint, nice little walk down through the sand dunes and down to this beautiful long beach. It just goes on forever and ever in both directions. And just look at this glorious beach. Absolutely nobody around, complete privacy in all directions. So Rocherpan has 2 access points to the sea. This is the second one. The first one's the furthest distance from the camp. and they call the viewpoint. This one is just a path that comes through the dunes and then down to the sea. Another beautiful spot. So that is actually the pan. This is on the drive back from the first viewpoint, which is obviously dry. And then down there's a day picnic spot and a couple of bird hides, and in the background that's the actual camp back there where the chalets are. Such a pity that there's no water in the pan at the moment, because apparently when it's there, tons of birds, which would be lovely to see. So this is the picnic spot and also the day visitor spot. Really nice under the trees. Got 4 very well built braai areas, and then the ablutions over there. And then they've got these wooden walkways that go down to the bird hides. And at the end there are 2 bird hides. No point at the moment going there. And then there are others further on around the pan. And so on the other side of the pan is the main camp where all the chalets are. If I zoom in, just past that hide there, and then on the far side. And that is the chalet that we're in. So our final day on this trip that we've done to Kgalagadi, the Namkwa trail, and ending up here on the west coast at Rocherpan. Woke up this morning to quite a heavy mist, cleared a little bit, but I see a lot of sea mist coming back in again, so I think we're going to close up again shortly. It's been a fantastic trip, had a wonderful time, and I hope you've all enjoyed the videos. Time to head home and start planning our next trip. Not sure where that's going to be yet.